designed this kitchen when I was 2 months postpartum, and I was not in the right headspace to be designing a kitchen. So I was secretly quite terrified, Jonno. Come into the kitchen. No, gotta fix that. Okay.
Alright, so we've got a center line for window and oven and wall. So yeah, the window's got to move a tiny bit. Oh, it's going to be bloody nice to get this thing sealed up again.
We're calling 20 mil for floor.
Yeah, 920. We were just basically restricted by the height of the roof here. We made the windows as big as possible, so.
That's bench height.
Yep. Want a hand? Oh, hi. Hey. You want to see a window going in? Ooh.
Wow, go Freddie.
Yeah. What are you doing, little man? Do you want to see the view out the big window? What a view! Love this window. So, time for the kitchen cabinetry to arrive. Lost my watch, but should be here in the next couple of hours. The cabinet maker's coming with the kickers, get them all level. Then when the truck turns up with all the carcasses, they've also got our appliances. They'll bring them in. Hopefully, they can just put them straight in the spot where they're supposed to go. Hopefully it's not gonna take too long to get them in. There's gonna be a lot of trimming and stuff on the ceiling because we've got that odd raked ceiling. But apart from that, I reckon my measurements are pretty spot on. I'm hoping it goes all quick and easy. Hopefully just like a 2-day install. You might have noticed that we're kind of like 90% there because there's things like that wall that I haven't patched the plaster, but I have got everything up to sort of 1200 height, this 1200 nib wall, bench tops, 900, tile splashback, that's why it's like random VJ sheets and whatever. It's just gonna get tiled over. Also that join will get tiled over. Still gotta cut the waste for the sink, but that's easy, straight through, drill it straight through the carcass and the floor all in one hit, get it in the exact spot we want, hook it up underneath, not that hard. Then, ugly looking wall, but it doesn't matter because you're never gonna see it again. Beautiful Tas oak open pantry, can't wait for that. Integrated fridge is gonna be epic. I do have to switch the hinge over on the door because at the moment it's opening from the left-hand side, I need it to open from the right-hand side, so left-hand hinge. Dishwasher's integrated, fridge is integrated, and then epic oven. Can't wait to get that going. Haven't had an oven since February. All right.
to come see our new kitchen cabinets? Come.
I've already seen them.
How good is our kitchen, Jonno?
It's about 10,000 times better than what it was. Pretty happy with it.
Oh, pretty happy with it. Full disclaimer, this is not our bench top, obviously, it's not our sink. But poor Jonno, you have been eating every meal in the carport. So this is temporary, so you can actually come inside.
The old outdoor kitchen's getting a bit tired.
Yeah.
It's getting a bit cold out there.
Ignore that, we're just looking at the cabinets for now, but they're absolutely beautiful. So this is the Polytech, so this is the topiary green that we went with, and exceptional open pantry. Do you remember what was there before? Do a little flashback?
It was an open pantry.
And it was actually I don't even know if we filmed it at its peak messiness. It's probably just in the background of one of our videos. But that is like sensational. And here, we've kept this open, so you know, Thermomix, toaster, appliances here. We have got our new microwave. Thank you, Bosch. Oh my goodness. Speaking of appliances, oh, it's full.
This is probably the biggest upgrade.
This is
I don't think there's anything better than a fully integrated
level
fridge. It's so good.
It's so good. Leave hair. Oh my god. Like I just can't even. I can't even. Like it's so good.
It's just so nice to have it flush.
Jonno got some magnums in there.
Magnums to
Very
celebrate.
important. Can I just like
Extra storage.
Can I just say, I designed this kitchen when I was 2 months postpartum, and I was not in the right headspace to be designing a kitchen. So I was secretly quite terrified, Jonno, because I was like,
that it wasn't going to fit.
yeah, I was like having heart palpitations
I
that
checked
it wasn't
all the
going to work.
measurements,
But
and we actually rebuilt this room basically from scratch.
And do you want to see this little nifty thing? Because we didn't have a lot of space. We had a couple of pokey things we had to work with. All these beautiful pull-out drawers. Thanks for coming. What's that? Oh, cheeky chocolate, bit of old gold, very important. And, okay, so we've got integrated dishwasher here. Bosch, ew, it's messy.
It's filthy, because they're actually using it now. As of last night, we moved in.
I know, well, like, and now...
Obviously not the same, not the final sink, because that's the old sink
Yeah.
that we've temporarily installed while we wait for bench tops.
Beautiful tap, though.
It is a good tap.
Windows, which we have to clean up because you've made a mess, Jonno.
Well, yeah, I got a bit of spray foam all over them, but it has worked. As soon as I did that, the day I did that, it like stopped the breeze in here completely. It's so good.
Really?
Like from the floor up, so we've started from the floor up.
The floor, which is beautiful.
We've gone fully sealed everywhere, every corner around here. This is where all the mice were getting in, along here before. There were so many holes down into underneath where they could climb up and get into the drawers and cupboards.
It was.
There is not one gap that exists now. I've gap filled, sealed, and completely removed that problem.
Pendant lights are great. So we're going to have a timber open shelf that runs all the way along here because I want to have like a couple of things easy to grab, like mugs, ceramics, that sort of thing. Under the sink cabinet, we've got pull-out bin here. This is our corner cabinet, and we've got 2 of these corner cabinets. This was the thing that just freaked us out no end, to try and work out the placement of the oven and to the sink.
Corner cabinets are the worst.
Corner cabinets are the worst.
You get lost. They go so far back.
We did 2 treatments. So we've gone simple here, just with that adjustable shelf, whereas this one, we've actually put in a pull-out, which, you know,
it actually works quite well.
It actually works quite well. You're very anti this, but I actually think that's a good resolution. And then, oh my gosh, we just don't even know ourselves now. Drawers. Need to actually get proper, all of our plates and things sorted, but excellent. And we've also got more drawers here. Beep.
And what about the most important part?
The Falcon oven. I mean, seriously? It's so pretty. I love this. Good feature, Jonno. The fact that we can just
Yeah, I like that.
cook that there
When
and
you're
then pull it
cooking
out.
not much, it's way easier than like digging into the back of the oven.
And also you can cook on 2 different temperatures because then you've got a whole nother oven there. So you can set that to a different temperature. And then you've got your grill. It's very dusty and dirty though, so we'll have to give it a good clean once we do the final reveal. But I'm very excited.
Well, we're also missing a few things. We're missing wall here, range hood, a bit of patching and finishing off to do. But
Yeah.
we're like
No bench tops, no
90%
tiles,
there.
no trim, no walls.
Better get back into it then. Don't get a break, do we?
No. Do you know what I will say? Problem with this kitchen is that it's now looking so good that it makes the rest of the house look really, really bad.
Yeah, well, we'll get to that. One thing at a time.
So,
It'll be nice to have a good kitchen and a dining table and
yeah,
to actually get the couch back inside.
yeah,
Because it is the middle of winter now as well. It's not very nice outside.
no. But yeah, this is going to be fantastic. Range hood. Oh, excellent. Lots to do. Well done, Jonno. Are you happy?
I'm happy now,
Yeah.
but I'm not cooking outside in the rain anymore.
Yeah.
That's a bonus. How's the view today?
Like exceptional. I mean, I said to you, in fact, I'm pretty sure I said it on camera, I love being in the kitchen and looking out that crappy little window we once had. And imagine if it was not a crappy window. This is just, like, I can't even begin to explain how happy this makes me. This window makes me so happy because that view.
Best decision just to go a big fixed window.
Yes.
I like the sliding windows,
Yeah.
but like epic.
Yeah.
For
We
a
didn't-
ridiculous view, for an ocean view across the paddock. So good.
And also you brought the most important thing in. Because you were sick of making your coffee outside in the carport.
It's quite the luxury having the La Marzocco in the shed. Some of the boys stopped around the other day
It's not normal.
and I'm like, oh, do you want a coffee? Like, no, all right. And then one of the boys walked around the corner and goes, nah, there's a proper machine here. Do you want a coffee? Like, it's going to be good.
They
and everyone,
thought you were going to offer them a Kona or something.
yeah. And then I had to knock out like 9 coffees. Everyone went doubles.
It's so good.
But yeah, we did design where the little coffee station was going to go.
We actually thought a lot because this is a linear mini, so it's 4 homes, so it's smaller, but it is still a very big.
But they do a
Sizable.
micro now, which is a
Oh,
fair
they do
bit
smaller
smaller.
than this.
They do a smaller one now. But that didn't exist when we got this one.
No.
But this
pretty
is a good
special.
machine.
Yeah. We actually designed this space and cabinetry for this because we didn't want it in a corner. So we
You
really
can't
wanted
shove
to
it in
be-
the corner. It's too hard to use. It's got to be on a straight section of bench.
And
I
we
think
love
it
our
works
coffee.
perfect.
Our coffee is very important
Super
to us.
important. There's going to be so much bench space that we didn't sort of have before.
Bin here, coffee, straight in the bin. I can't begin to explain how good that is because there's always so much coffee mess. So happy. So happy.
Sweet.